Here we are again, Crispin Garage. Nothing new here. Just stuff that's going to the bag. Yep. Shino worky. 99. Chevrolet. Normally I take 3 or 4 different cuts, but I'm just gonna wing this one. We're probably gonna break every clip. We're gonna probably strip every screw, and it's probably not even gonna work. So this is the first go at it. As you can tell, I hadn't messed with it. This is, no. I bet that was working. Let's see. Okay. We're going to do the obvious right to start with. There's 2 Phillips screws right here.
Okay.
There's 2 things that I'm thinking that I may not know what goes. Sometimes these bezels pop off. Sometimes these pop up out. But if they don't, you'll break them. There's 1 Phillips screw out. Maiden voyage. Is this a drop cord or an extension cord?
This be a general purpose lighted extension cord.
Okay. What's the difference between a drop cord and an extension cord?
I think it's got something to do with, your social status.
Phillips screw number 2. You always see how loose it is. Yeah, see there? See, you got a little loose playage? I know this is gonna pop off, no doubt.
She's crispy.
No, she come off. Look, nothing broke.
Oh.
See, I know y'all thought I was breaking something, but I wasn't. Okay, now my next concern.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it does have clips in it. See, we're fortunate here,
That's
fellas.
money. That's money, dude.
We're fortunate.
What the heck is that?
That's your tweeter.
Oh, okay.
You know your woofer's down here.
That's your tweeter.
Tweeter's up here.
Okay.
This one goes woof woof. This one goes.
Okay.
It's been a while, but I think
we're getting ready to have to go buy one of him anyway, so.
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It broke.
It was already broke.
Oh, was it?
Oh, maybe not the top piece, but these down here were already broke.
Yeah, they sure were. Somebody's tried to fix on it already. We're liable to find pop rivets.
That's got to come off either way. So, now I guess we can go and there's a little clip right here. That comes off. That's got a clip. That comes off.
That doubles as your lights for your power for your trailer wiring.
You just push them back in there because we probably forget to hook them back up. Okay, now there should be some. Yep. Sometimes they slide up. Yeah, they all pop out. Going around, getting all the. There's still one. Yeah, this thing's been out before because she's got a little crackage going on. I think right there.
I bet it's had a window regulator put in it.
Yeah, it's broke. It was broke before I got to it. Let's finish it off. See there?
Oh, that's fine. We just put sheet metal screws back in it.
It's just it really, all jokes aside, it was broke before I got to it.
Oh, this one even hooked up.
We're gonna pull these out because they're supposed to go right here like this. Somebody didn't have them back in there. See, we've got boom, 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 boom. See, there's 3, 6. There's still 8. And look. Okay. Anyhow, we're gonna set this. We're gonna set this remotely.
It's in surprisingly
Out of the
good
way.
shape. I don't think it's ever been into it because this is still intact. First aid, right hand deflector.
This is a 7mm. I can tell that by the way that it is because they got a trained eye. I'm not sure if I needed to take that out or not, but it felt like it was the right thing to do.
All the rest of these out too?
I think it just slides.
Babe.
I think
Yeah, we got an easy fix.
I think she's just unhooked, fellas. Where's she at? Why is she bent like that? See, it should be. There. Oh yeah, see there? Watch this. Oh yeah, that's that little piece that was broke off from there. We're gonna fix them that way.
Are you kidding me?
We can put some lubrication on that, I think. Yeah, let's see. It's on.
That's awesome. What kind of lubrication do you want? Liberty?
There you have it, fellas. She was unhooked. We took this out. Somebody had messed with it. The rod was bent a little bit. We put a little on it, and she lined right up, went right back in the clip. I think it's gonna work. But if you had to replace one of these, this is how you would do it. This thing here, there was only one tab holding it, and I broke that one off. Oh, it's still gonna work because it's still got a tab right there. So that's awesome. There's still one clip left on this too. I was doing some research on it a while ago. That one clip right there might be all you need. It only had 2 on it. It originally had
7.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2 were broken before we got to it. We broke one of them, so there's only one left.
Okay. Better?
I'm kind of digging that. Plug it up. All right, that's the first thing we're going to plug up. Hook it on the top. Get your cables back in the hole. Then you can line up these little things. Make sure they line up properly. Once all the clippage is in, this clippage can go in. Sits right down. Just like that. This pops on. Just like that. This plugs back up. Two Phillips screws.
Professional choice.
Yeah.
Put one screw in. One with what are you eating?
Is it what you texted me? Yeah, we're good now. Yeah.
You always gotta make sure you can do a good pull on the door.
Yeah, it's done.
Good to go. There you have it, fellas. No bezels hanging in there with one clip. The screws are back in. 15 of the clips are broken off. This thing I hope still works. We haven't tried it yet. We even replaced a bulb. So y'all remember, until the next time you see one of these stupid videos pop up with Christmas Garage on it, if she's giving trouble, she's going to the bad.